a body is said to be in motion if it changes its position with respect to a fixed or a stationary body with the change of time. जैसे जैसे समय बदले ये अपने एक फिक्स जगह से थोड़ा इसका डिस्टेंस बढ़े या घटे, ऐसे पोजीशन में इस बॉडी को हम क्या कहेंगे? इन मोशन। ठीक है। टाइप ऑफ मोशन: एब्सोल्यूट मोशन, रिलेटिव मोशन, यूनिफॉर्म मोशन, नॉन यूनिफॉर्म मोशन, सर्कुलर मोशन, रेक्टिलिनियर मोशन, रोटेशनल मोशन, ऑसिलेटरी मोशन, पीरियाडिक मोशन, रैंडम मोशन. Among these, relative motion is the most important which we are going to study. And next, absolute motion. These two motions are very important. A body is said to absolute motion. A body is said to be in absolute motion if it does not change its position with respect to a fixed body in the universe. Since there is not a fixed body in the universe, therefore absolute motion is only theoretical, not practical. Similarly, absolute rest is also impossible. Next, relative motion. Relative motion means a body changes its position with respect to a fixed body with the change in time. Also, fixed body or relative motion and relative rest. Means rest and motion are relative. Suppose a person is sitting in the compartment of a running train. Everything in the compartment or other passengers sitting in front of him, the man is at rest. But the same man is in motion with respect to everything outside the compartment. Now, circular motion, uniform motion, relative motion, you can study them. Important terms related to motion. Distance, displacement. Some important terms related to motion. First, distance. Second, displacement. Third, difference between distance and displacement. Distance. It is the total distance, total length of path. It is the total length of path covered by a moving body in a particular time. Displacement. This is the shortest distance of between initial point and final point of a moving body. Suppose a body starts with A and moves 4 meters in north direction and reaches at B, and then in other perpendicular to this direction 3 meters and reaches at C. Thus the total distance covered by the body is equal to 3 plus 4 meter, that is 7 meter. But displacement equal to AC. AC, which will be equal to 5 meter by pt. By Pythagoras theorem, we had AC equal to under root AB square plus BC square, that is 4 square plus 3 square equal to 16 plus 9 equal to 25 का अंडर रूट, दिस इज इक्वल टू 5 मीटर. Now I am going to erase it due to the shortage of place. Distance between difference between distance and displacement. First difference, it is the total length of the path covered by a moving body. It is the shortest distance between initial and final point of a moving body. Second, it is a scalar, but displacement is vector quantity. Third difference, it has only magnitude but no direction. It has both magnitude as well as direction. It has both magnitude as well as direction. First, speed. A speed can be defined as the distance covered per unit time. Means a speed means distance covered per unit time. Distance by a speed, distance by time equal to a speed, or you can say that S is equal to d by t. This velocity, rate of change of displacement, or displacement per unit time is called velocity. That is, velocity equal to displacement by time. Unit of speed equal to unit of distance by unit of time. It is meter by second, or meter per second, or meter per second. The unit of velocity is same as the unit of speed, that is meter per second. The difference between a speed and velocity is that a speed has only magnitude, whereas velocity has both magnitude as well as direction. A speed is a scalar, velocity is vector. Next topic, we are going to take acceleration. Acceleration is the rate of change of velocity.